Hello, this is a Streamline how-to video, and on this video I'll be showing you how to change the controller, whether it be on a trolley like the one we got here or another system with the controller on. They're all pretty much the same. What you'll find is in the corners of the front face you've got 4 screws, which if you take that off, you will find the main controller body is held onto the frame with 2 screws, one in each opposite corner. That's how the controller is held on to the framework. And then by undoing them, you will release the controller off the framework. And on the basic controllers, you have 4 wires. So as you can see from this stream board, we've got a pump and controller. And the red wire from the controller goes to the positive on the battery. The black wire from the controller goes to the negative on the battery. And then we got the blue wire from the controller goes to the black wire on the pump. And the brown wire from the controller goes to the red wire on the pump. They can be connected using electrical connectors or can be soldered and with the connections taped up afterwards, just to stop any water corrosion on the connection. When installing a pump to a frame tank system or onto a board, you have your 4 fixing points to each side of the pump, and then you've got your 2 hoses connections on one in and one on the out. That's very simply done, and then you've got your 2 wiring connections to your controller. Nice and easy. I hope this has been useful to you, and look forward to seeing you again in the next video.